what's up, y'all? So I'm back here again, and I'm about to show you exactly how your Spin Mop system works here from To Use The Tsmine. Very different than the rest of them. So he already assembled everything. I already got my water with my solution in there. Okay, so all you gotta do here is turn it to on, and you're ready to drop it right in the middle and start your mopping. See, all you gotta do is push down. From here now, we're gonna drop it in the ringer set, and voila, you can push down, dry it as dry as you want. You want to use it on wood floors, you can just dry it out, bring it out, and lock. You drop, your mop stands up on its own, and you're ready to mop. You can swingle under. You can also clean any type of borders that you like, okay? You're safe on walls, safe on windows, and this is the new system here. What you got here is your separate ringer set. See, now you get more water in your bucket, right? A lot easier to clean, and also most of the dirt and debris that you're gonna clean from your floors is gonna get stuck behind here. So all you gotta do is take this, throw it in your washer, or throw it in your sink, wash it out, however way you wanna clean it, but it is a new improvement to the To Use The Tsmine line. I'm very happy to introduce this product. I mean, it's just a growing family. This Spin Mop is so easy to use that I even introduced my son. Go ahead, you got it. Put it in. So you get it right in there, there you go. To teach and show kids how to clean up their own mess. This is what you call fun clean. To Use The Tsmine is bringing fun cleaning into your house, where you can introduce your boys and your family to know how to clean up after themselves. Go ahead. When they make a mess in my house, this is what they do. Go ahead. All right, put it in there, it's okay. Go, dry it out. There you go. How you like it? Say you love it. Now go mop the floor. Go clean the mess you just made. Look, you just made that mess. Here, clean that up. Over here, there you go. Come on. See? This is what you do, guys. Like I said, in my house, it's called Fun Clean. To Use The Tsmine is where it's at. I'm gonna show you one more time. You're gonna unlock it right here. Once you unlock it, all you gotta do is push down. Push down. From here, you're gonna bring it on by into your separate ringer set. And you're gonna dry it as dry as you want. From here, you're gonna lock. Boom, and you're ready to go. Ain't no tell me there's no other Spin Mop out there that does that. Everybody, check yours out, go to Amazon, believe it for yourself, try it out. To Use The Tsmine is growing to take over any household out there in America. See you soon.